if vectors a vector is equal to cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap and b vector is equal to cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap are functions of time, then the value of t at which they are orthogonal to each other is. Here we have given two vectors a vector and b vector which are orthogonal to each other. Orthogonal means they are perpendicular to each other, or we can say angle between these two vectors are 90 degree. Therefore, when two vectors which are at 90 degree or perpendicular to each other will have dot product equal to 0. We will use that conclusion, that is, if a vector is perpendicular to b vector, we will use the conclusion, that is, if a vector is perpendicular to b vector, then dot product of these two vectors will be 0. Here a vector is given, that is cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap, and b vector is given as cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap. Now we will do dot product of these two vectors. So given vectors can be rewrite as cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap. This is a vector. We will do dot product of this vector with another vector given as cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap, and with the help of conclusion, that is coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap can be directly multiplied for finding out dot product. So we will use that. Coefficient of I cap is cos omega t in first bracket and cos omega t by 2 in second bracket. So we will directly multiply it, and coefficient of j cap is sin omega t in first bracket and sin omega t by 2 in second bracket. So this is the result of dot product. Now we will simplify it further, which can be written as in following manner, that is a dot b is equal to cos omega t by 2 plus sin omega t by 2, and whole value of this is equal to 0 because these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Now we will use a identity here, that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, which is equal to cos of A minus B. With the help of this identity we can easily solve this question. So here after comparing, we can say, on comparing the identity with the conclusion we are getting, we can say A will be omega t and B will be omega t by 2, because cos A and cos B, here cos omega t by 2, here sin A sin B, here sin omega t and sin omega t by 2. So on comparing identity with the conclusion we are getting, we can say A can be represented with the help of omega t and omega t by 2 can be represented with the help of B. Therefore we can say A dot B, which we are getting here, can be rewrite as cos of A minus B, where A is omega t and B is omega t by 2, whose value is equal to 0. Now further solving this, we will get cos omega t by 2, because cos omega t minus omega t by 2 will be omega t by 2. This is equal to 0, or we can say omega t by 2 will be equal to pi by 2, because cos of theta will be 0 at angle 90 degree, or we can write 90 degree as pi by 2. Therefore t will be equal to pi over omega. That means at t equal to pi by omega, we will get these two vectors are orthogonal to each other or perpendicular to each other. Therefore answer of this question is pi by omega. Thank you.